In today's episode we will be doing some candles. So yesterday I created this little cutie. This is actually from some unused candles. I'm sure you have many of those at home, so you can simply use them by melting the wax and creating a brand new candle. In order to do candles, of course you need some beeswax, some molds or some containers. I also happen to find some jars at home or some containers from previously unused candles which I used and cleaned. Then you need some wicks, and also it helps when you have some stick with hole which stabilizes the wicks. For those of you who will follow the measurements, I suggest some kitchen scale, and I realized that I can use my coffee mug warmer, which I got last year as a birthday present, to just melt the wax. So let me show you how to use the existing leftovers. So I had some old candle which was not really nicely burnt, so I put the remainings, you cannot see much, on the coffee mug warmer, and it was just heated there on the max warmth, max heat, for quite some time. So the wax became now liquidy, so that I can pour that over to my small mold, which I will be just doing now. So let's pour that over. Be careful not to drip it on the